Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to stitch this round mirror. Start with a small chain. So long chain on top of the mirror. Don't go inside, it should be in the edge. And small chain towards mirror in the round way. Again small long chain close to the mirror and small chain, long, small. So the chain should go in the round way, like it should cover the raw edges of the round mirror. Initially you will not get neat finishing, so keep on try with more mirrors. You will get a finishing. If it got stuck anywhere, just remove onto it, don't try to pull. So after completing the stitch, give chain outline. After completing the outline chain stitch, I'm going to use this Chamki in the corner round like this. So I'm going to use Chamki overlapping stitch. So same silk thread, place the Chamki like this. So on top of Chamki we are going to give chain stitch. So in between each Chamki we'll be giving the chain stitch. So I'm using 2 threads, same silk thread I'm using. If you want contrast color, you can use different color instead of blue. So in the round way, place the Chamki and give the stitch in the middle. I'm making the stitch very slow to make you understand, so follow my steps. If the thread got split like this, try to manage by holding. Don't pull the thread. So in this way, complete the remaining space. So the stitch is completed now. Using the simple stitch, you can decorate your lehenga boot neck like that. So I'll show you a simple neck. So if this is your paper pattern, so draw the neck like this. So boat neck will come like this. So keep a dot to place the mirror. So first line, second line, third line. So like this way you can design your crop top or lehenga. Only if you want 2 lines, you can stop at 2 lines. So using this simple stitch, you can decorate your dress. Thank you.